All right, so you want to know what's in the box if you order this. I'm going to show you here. We got the hose. We have the filter. There's the pump handle. The extension tube. Bottom of here, we have the pump itself. So let me get this thing all assembled. One thing that's great about this, it can go into multiple depth barrels because you have this adjustable pipe here. You can turn this and extend it out or shrink it up. So very handy for that. So you can use this in several different barrel sizes. All right, so I'm all set up here. All you gotta do is pull the pump out, the nozzle out now, flip up the thing, and you can hear my pump kicks on. I'll just take my cover off my tractor here, bring this over, put it in, turn this on, and I can turn on I can put the little lever down there to keep it on so I don't have to stay right with it, although I do recommend you staying close by. Then I can go ahead and start my pump on. And once it's full, it'll automatically shut off. So this is a really handy thing to have. All I gotta do is get my barrel in a different location and we'll be in good shape. But if you're looking for a way to easily fill your equipment without having to run down and get cans of fuel and stuff, this is definitely going to make a big difference for you. Once you're done, of course, just put your cover back on and return the nozzle to the pump. And you are good to go. So I got it in this tank here, got it all set up. Comes out through here, goes through the filter, out to the line, and to the pump itself. The only thing you have to do now is decide whether you want to have this hooked up permanently, which you can do this with these wires, or you can put clamps on here if you're going to carry this around the back of a vehicle or something, and you just want to clamp it onto a 12-volt battery to run it. So that's the only last decision, and you know it tells you all about that right here in the book. Instructions to set this thing up are pretty straightforward, very easy. Now, these guys are nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review and show you what you're going to get. I really like it, and I like the fact that it comes with a filter. Not all of these have filters, so it's great that it has that. You can change that out, make sure you're not going to get any debris in your equipment, which would just be a real pain in the butt. So I'm very happy with this. This is going to save me a lot of work filling up the tractors and stuff with diesel fuel. Being able to just grab this nozzle and pump it right into the tractor quick and easy is going to be a game changer. So I really want to thank these guys for sending this out. I really appreciate it. And I hope this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not this is right for you. But I give it 2 thumbs up. This is going to be a huge saver here with all my equipment.